Any fool can know. The point is to understand. Intellectuals solve problems, geniuses prevent them. The only source of knowledge is experience. Creativity is intelligence having fun. The only thing more dangerous than ignorance is arrogance. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. Try not to become a man of success but rather to become a man of value. Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. The search for truth is more precious than its possession. A happy man is too satisfied with the present to dwell too much on the future. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. I salute the man who is going through life always helpful, knowing no fear, and to whom aggressiveness and resentment are alien. A calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness. If you want your children to be intelligent, read them fairy tales. If you want them to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales. He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe, is as good as dead, his eyes are closed. Nothing truly valuable arises from ambition or from a mere sense of duty, it stems rather. If you want them to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales. He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe, is as good as dead, his eyes are closed. Nothing truly valuable arises from ambition or from a mere sense of duty, it stems rather from love and devotion toward men and toward objective things. Don't listen to the person who has the answers, listen to the person who has the questions. Long live impudence. It's my guardian angel in this world. Most people say that it is the intellect which makes a great scientist. They are wrong, it is character. If you are out to describe the truth, leave elegance to the tailor. 3 rules of work: out of clutter find simplicity, from discord find harmony, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. If people are good only because they fear punishment, and hope for reward, then we are a sorry lot indeed. To raise new questions, new possibilities, to regard old problems from a new angle, requires creative imagination and marks real advance in science. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger, more complex, and more violent. It takes a touch of genius, and a lot of courage, to move in the opposite direction. Unthinking respect for authority is the greatest enemy of truth. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. When I am judging a theory, I ask myself whether, if I were God, I would have arranged the world in such a way